videos today. Wilko Cosmos Gazebo White, Wilko Sensation Mixed. Both recommended by the RHS Plants for Pollinators. Directly, same sowing instructions on both of them. Indoor sowing, sow thinly in trays of seed compost. Cover with 0.5 centimetres, quarter inch of compost. Firm gently and keep moist. Keep it approximately 15 to 20 Celsius. Seedlings usually appear in 14 to 21 days. I normally find with these that it's so nice and warm, they even appear well before that. So first of all, let's get the tray full with compost. Peat-based compost, this. Also got a little bit of feeding just to help with the first few weeks. All you need to do is leave about half an inch from the top, like so. All we need to do then is just give it a tap down. I normally use a block of wood for this, but I haven't got a block of wood here. Oh, I have. Wait a minute. Perfect. Just found this in the greenhouse. What it is, this is my new allotment, so I'm still finding out where a lot of things are. Right, that's that. Nicely tapped down. Right, let's have a look at these, shall we? Get them open. It's a lovely day here on the allotment. Really nice to be out and about. Right, how many seeds did it say? 60 seeds, so I'm going to sow all these because I've got a big area to plant up. So I'll just use half of the tray for one half and half the tray for the other half. Right, let's give them a little tap out, just show you what they look like. There we go. Nice. Doesn't look 60 to me, but that's what it says. So just spread them out as evenly as you can. Like so. Right, let's do the second lot. Yeah, these are really nice, really well scented. Let's see how many is in here. I think there's 200 in here. I'm definitely not sowing all these, I'll sow half of them. That's what you're going to do with 200 plants. Keep the rest for next year. You normally store. Okay, right, that's that done. As it says, all we need to do now is just cover with half a centimetre of soil, compost, like so. Like that. I don't need to put any name tags on these, I know which ones are which. Once that's done, give them real good water. And then you can place them on a warm, well-lit windowsill, or as I am doing, in the greenhouse, on the floor. This new watering can I've got is really good. Got really fine rows on it. It really waters things well. Right, that's that well watered. So that's how to sow Cosmos. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. If you've got any questions, thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be putting on these, my Cosmos. These unfortunately dried out. Forgot to water them yesterday. I'll give them a good soak in a nice bath of water. So this should be alright now. I'm using these 9cm plastic pots and some of this multi-purpose compost from Wicks. It's 125 litres of peat-based compost with some feed in it. So yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? Yeah, this is the compost. Lovely, rich, peat-based, lovely light, good crumb to it. Retains moisture really well. It's really good for starting seedlings off, taking cuttings, anything like that. As you can see, really light and fluffy. Great, feels great in between your fingers and smells absolutely brilliant. I never thought I'd say that compost smells nice, but it does. Right, here we go. Let's start by teasing some out. I like to use a nice flat bladed dibber just to get underneath, like so. Because these have been left quite a long time, I'm going to have to take them out like so and then just gently tease them apart. You can see there, that's a nice one. Good root system on there. Sorry about the wind, everybody. But it's lovely and refreshing today. And you want it into the compost like so. You want to keep them dead centre. A lot easier to work with then. Like so. Give them a good tap down. And off to one side. Same again. These are really nice, these. Really nice big strong plants. This has got a really good root system in this one. Nice and like so. Yeah, like I said, this composter's peat base got a little bit of feeding. It's supposed to last about 6 weeks. But also I'll be feeding these twice a week from now on. They'll be my heated greenhouse, so they'll be coming on leaps and bounds. These can be put out when all chance of frost has gone, because they do not take to frost at all. Right, a couple more. But yeah, when they've grown a little bit bigger, I shall probably nip the tops out. I can bush out a little bit, stop them being so leggy. I should get more flowers from them then. And the little ones like this, just nice and gentle around there, like so. Waste not, want not. One more. This one. So there's 2 of those, you can see. Just give them a little gentle tease, like so. And then nicely around. Yeah, Cosmos, I think every cottage garden needs a few. They are really good for filling any gaps that you've got in your borders. Just pinch some more out. Yeah, any gaps you've got in your borders, they do a really good job of filling in. They're really nice, really nicely scented, and the insects, bees and butterflies, really do like them. So all round, a really good show you get off these. That's what happens when you leave them too long. I won't recommend them being left in the trays this long, because as you can see, they take a little bit of teasing out. When they're smaller, they're a lot easier to handle. But one good thing about them being this size, once they've been in here a week or so, they'll really fill out, and then I can just nip the tops out. There'll be plenty of tied shoots there. They'll be really nice big strong plants. So yeah, that's how to put on your Cosmos. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just going to be showing you the Cosmos that I've been from seed. These are them here, as you can see. Really nice plants. A bit leggy though, which Cosmos does tend to do. See here, the one I planted earlier, I nipped off the middle. It's just started to bush out nicely. So first of all, what I'll do with these is, before I plant them, I shall just go about nipping out the centres like so. That one. This one just here should be good for that one. Oh, it's taking a flower off, but there'll soon come back. This one probably down to there. And this one probably about the same, just about there. As you can see, totally different plants now. They're not going to get blown off by the wind. I'm going to have plenty of flowers on them. So all I tend to do is just place them where I want them, like so. Probably one there, and another one there. That's nice. Yeah, and then all you need to do then, these have been grown in a peat-based compost. I'm going to peat free, so you can see really good root system. Just a little break up in like your corner just tends to help them settle in a little bit better. Then all you do, dig away like so. I'm going to plant them the same height they were in the pots. Get the others done while I'm here. These have been fed with liquid tomato feed, which I like when they plant are flowering. They tend to respond really well to it. All this board has been grown from seed this year, apart from my bulbs there. Gladioli, bought from local hardware store. Now, just get rid of the offcuts. once that's done, all you need to do then is just give them a really good water. Make sure you soak everything in. I want to get rid of any air pockets. And I'll feed these twice a week now with a liquid tomato feed. I might also use a high nitrogen feed as well a couple of times, just to help them put on a bit more leafy growth. The tomato feed is for when plants are flowering. It really does help the flowers develop really well. As you can see, all this has been grown from seed. I've got penstemons, I've got dahlias, delphiniums. Yeah, that rose even there. So yeah, everything's looking really well. Once it's had a good water, that's it, just leave it settling. I should give it its first feed tomorrow and then feed it twice a week from then on. So yeah, that's basically how to grow my cosmos from seed all the way through. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe. Thank you. Bye.